Mia.
Hey.
Who are we drawing today?
Pillow cat.
Pillow cat from Gabby's Dollhouse.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to fall asleep on this episode.
Pillow cat is the cooliest cat in the dollhouse.
Yes, and she can fall asleep anywhere?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
So, this was Mia's brilliant idea. We're going to draw a pillow cat falling asleep
On a toilet.
So, art along friends, come art along with us. We're drawing pillow cat on a toilet, and we have markers today and paper. So grab your drawing tools and art along with us.
Yep.
Great. Okay, we'll start with drawing pillow cat sitting on the toilet. Okay, so we'll draw her head first. So a circle kind of on the top, a little slightly to the right because we want to leave room for the toilet on the left side, okay? So a circle, kind of an oval shape a little, but a nice little circle for her head. And it might get a little tricky, but we're going to draw a slightly bigger circle right around it just because Pillow Cat has these soft little folds. She's a pillow. So we're gonna draw one more circle. Try to stay even as possible. There you go, good job. And then 2 triangle ears, pointy, okay? So one on the left. Oh, you started on the right side. Opposite of me. And the right. And then let's draw 2 smaller triangles inside of that. 1, 2. Great. And we're going to draw a pillow cat sleeping. So instead of drawing a round 2 eyes for her, we're going to draw a smiley face to represent closed eyes, okay? So one little smiley on the side and another one on the other side. Now her nose. We're drawing a upside down triangle with a little curvy sides. And Pillow Cat has lots of stitchings, right? So her little snout I notice are stitchings. So instead of drawing one straight curve on each side, we're going to try to make little spaces as we try to make that curve. You see what I did there? It's kind of like a dotted line instead of a full straight curve. Good job. And then we'll draw one straight curve below it because this is just her mouth. You're not gonna draw that one? Okay. Because I guess it makes sense if she's closing her mouth while she's sleeping. Mine's kind of having a good dream and she's smiling. Okay. And then we're going to draw 2 little round circles on her cheeks because she has these cute little pink round felt patterns on her as a pillow. Oh, Mia, you're already doing it. Good job. Yeah, we're gonna draw some dotted lines with inside those circles for the stitchings too. So small little dotted lines for the stitchings inside of her cheek. And then we're gonna go back up to her forehead area and draw her stitching stripes. So a few more dotted lines coming down, and we're gonna draw 3 lines dotted. Does that look good? Good job. Awesome.
Now her whiskers.
Yeah, we can draw her whiskers. So just 2 coming out from the side around where her cheek is. 1, 2, and the other side, 1, 2. Good job. Okay, so here's where it gets a little bit tricky, but I think we can all do it. We're gonna draw her body, and her body's a pillow, right? So a pillow can be a little curvy. We're gonna draw it a little curved coming down because she's seated, right? So start from maybe around where her whisker is, the top whisker, and draw a curved line, kind of wavy down. And then we're not gonna draw this side just yet because we're gonna leave room for the paws. So let's draw the paws first. Her paws are little stuffy paws. So I'm going to draw a bell shape maybe? I don't know what this is. So it's kind of narrower on top and more plump on the bottom for her paws. I'm gonna draw 4 of these. So 1 and another one on the side and 2 more for her feet. Good job. And then now that we know where her feet are gonna be, let's draw a line coming through behind the feet. Okay? And then we're going to, good job. And then we're going to draw a little curved line coming down, and we're going to connect those lines one more time, just underneath. And then she has a little bumpy bottom, right? It's a cushion bottom. So we're gonna draw a curved line for the cushion bottom. Great! And then I'm just gonna, now that I know where the paws are, I'm going to connect her body and follow the line that I created on this side too. Good. And her little tail. Let's draw her tail. She has a little stuffy tail too. So kind of on the bottom of her body, we'll draw a little curved line and then come back in for her stuffed tail since she's a cushion. And how many stripes does Pillow Cat have?
4.
Yeah, on her body, right? And they're different colors. And so let's start on top and draw curved lines through, okay? But behind the paws, the legs. And make sure you leave room for 3 lines because she has 4 sections, 4 stripes, okay? So 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Awesome. And I'm going to leave the details out for now because she has stitchings all connected in these sections, but I'm gonna use my colored markers for those. Okay, so that's Sleeping Pillow Cat. And then now for the funny part, right? We're gonna draw a toilet on the side that Pillow Cat is sleeping on. So we thought it would be funny if she had a cat toilet, right? So
No, it's in the dollhouse.
oh, it is in the dollhouse. The cat toilet is actually in the dollhouse? I didn't know
It's
that.
in the bathroom with Marka.
Oh, that's why you got this idea, huh? That's funny. Okay, well, I'm going to draw 2 pointy triangles for the cat ears on the lid, okay? And it's just gonna be a simple toilet. 1 pointy ear and 2. And since it's a toilet lid, I'm going to draw a round oval kind of coming down and up for the lid. And my whole toilet isn't going to show because I drew Pillow Cat so big, huh? And then just connect the ears as well on the top with a curved line. And on the bottom of Pillow Cat's little cushiony bottom, we're going to draw a curved line. And then another curved line on the bottom for the toilet bowl, I guess. Yeah, and did you say there's a tail that flushes? Okay, so we'll draw a little what do you call this? It's the place where the toilet water fills up. The tank, maybe?
Tank?
Yeah.
From Finding Dory?
That's Hank. You mean the octopus?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll draw the little tank part of the toilet and then a little tail that flushes. What does it look like? Does it just look like a tail?
Yeah, it's just a tail that's striped.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna draw it on this side so I can see it. And then I'm gonna put the stripes in. Yeah.
Does he know the stripes are white and shade pink?
Oh, wow, you remember all these details, huh?
And there's a face on it.
Okay, what does the face look like?
I think it's something like this.
A cat face? Okay.
Or something.
Okay, so a little eyebrow. And I'm actually gonna use these eyebrows as like smiling eyes. And a nose. And the mouth. And I'm gonna draw some whiskers. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the toilet bowl. I'm just gonna have a couple of lines come down just so it looks like it's standing on something too. And then we can draw some Z's later with our colored markers so that we know that Pillow Cat has fallen asleep. And that's it.
I'm gonna draw it right now.
Okay, great. Well, let's start coloring then. I picked Summer Lemon for Pillow Cat's face. Let's see if it looks good.
I have the swatch sheet.
Yep. Yeah, we have these fancy markers from
Do you have
Old.
old red?
Old Red, I don't, but it's in the...
Old red.
I'm gonna get it for you?
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
This is my Pillow Cat's face.
What yellow did you pick?
Pastel yellow.
Nice. Oh, and Pillow Cat has this little stripe on her tail too. Like a stripe marking.
Where's that orange?
Which orange?
The orange I wanted. What was this one? Apricot.
Oh, that's... Oh yeah, we have picked the same apricot. I picked glass green.
It's like a sandwich.
Pillow Cat?
Yeah, it's like a sandwich.
So does Pillow Cat go around sleeping anywhere?
Mhm.
Does she really?
Mhm.
Oh. Do you think you could do that?
No.
Yeah. That'd be kind of weird.
Yeah.
Although when you were a baby, you used to fall asleep just anywhere.
That was when I was a baby.
And you were in your stroller. So I guess that is a little different. You're doing it fast, like again. I'm still working on mine. Do you think people could hear the geese? Yeah, Mia's nodding. That was a loud goose. Are you good at making straight lines?
No.
I think you're pretty good. You've gotten a lot better since we started art along. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Well, with any art skill, you just need lots of practice, right?
Mhm. I think I'm done.
What? How many people do you think actually fall asleep on a toilet? That's a really weird thing to do, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta be really tired to do something like that.
Pillow Cat's always tired.
Is she?
He's always catnapping.
Ah, catnapping is great though. I wish I would be able to nap more. What kind of dream is Pillow Cat having?
A fairy dream.
Oh, what's she doing with the fairies?
Oh, she's a fairy.
She became a fairy?
Mhm.
That's cool. What's she doing as a fairy?
Flying around with Kitty Fairy.
Do you have dreams?
Yeah. I have nightmares.
You have nightmares?
Mhm.
What kind of nightmare?
This sounds really crazy, but once I dreamt that there's a giant cat in our house and it ate a blue car and a person and then it spit it out.
Ew. A giant cat that ate a blue car.
What are you doing?
That's very specific. What, this?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, that's just decorations. Because disease are floating around. I wanted to do one more thing. Make her whiskers blue. And then I was gonna write Pillow Cat's name. Because I've been writing everybody's name for my Gabby cats. Is that Pillow Cat?
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. She's kind of like a caterpillar. Because it's round.
Hello.
Sorry. Hey, your toilet bowl is white?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what Gabby Cat's toilet bowl is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I colored mine blue. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can spell Pillow Cat.
P.
P.
E.
E.
O.
O.
Cat.
Cat. Pillow Cat. What's your favorite bedtime story?
I don't know.
Do you even remember any of the old bedtime stories we used to read?
Mm-mm.
We used to read a lot of Sandra Boynton books. We used to love those, I guess. Okay, we did it! Did we?
Mm-hmm.
Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome! Well, there it is! Pillow Cat!
From Gabby's Dollhouse. Meow, meow, meow. Wake up.
Sorry, I fell asleep. Okay, see you next time!
Bye.